Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video of MLB Perfect Inning 18. And in this video, I'm going to be bringing you a couple package openings for you guys. As towards the new season update should be around the corner sometime soon. But we do have an SE all overall package, which includes 10 80 plus overall drafts. And we do have an All-Star Deluxe Edition package as well, which has 185 plus overall, 583 plus overalls, and 581 plus overalls. So hopefully we'll be able to get some 90 plus overalls in those. But let's get this out of the way. I got 7 million GP there. So the first one we are going to open is going to be probably these all overall package. So we'll get this opened up, and it does come with 5 S grade equipments, 5 A grade boost trainers, and then those 10 to 80 plus overalls. So we'll go ahead and get these first 5 equipment packs out of the way. Very nice mix with batter and one pitcher equipment. So here we go with these 10 80 plus overall packs. So let's get the first 5 out of the way, which include all programs that have been released throughout the year. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Very nice cards there. I believe that is a 90 overall Matt Harvey, Mancini, Aaron Gordon, Chris Sale, and Josh Donaldson. So not bad. Could have been better, but it's not bad. But let's go on to these next 5, and let's hope for some more 90 plus overalls if we are lucky. So let's hope the second batch is much better. So definitely wasn't, or actually that is pretty good there with Ryan Madson there, worth about 4 billion GP. Did not realize that pull until the last second, so that is very nice there with that 87 overall. Then we got Steven Strasburg there. It's always nice to see him. Betances, always a good card, especially when you upgrade him as well. So we will move on to this next All-Star Deluxe Edition package for you guys. And what we'll do is we'll start off with the 85 plus, and then we'll move on to these other ones. Get those out of the way. So let's get this 85 plus overall draft out of the way. And very nice Albert Pujols card. Very nice. That was a great way to start off this package opening. So let's move on to these 581 plus overalls. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we got a Max Scherzer, Perez, Ryan Braun, Mitch Moreland, and Ubaldo Jimenez. So decent batch of players there if you are wanting some ones that are not expensive. especially when you upgrade them as well. So now we are on to these last 5, and hopefully we can clutch out some 90 overalls. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so mainly 86 overalls there. So it wasn't the best pack opening, but we did manage that very nice reliever worth about 4 billion GP. So that was all I could really ask for there. But that is going to be it for this video, so please be sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so that you're notified of videos that are posted throughout the week. And as always, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.